Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your real estate investment strategy with Fundrise detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your real estate investment strategy with Fundrise, start by logging into your Fundrise account. Navigate to your investment dashboard using the main menu. Review your current investment portfolio to understand your existing assets. Identify areas of your strategy that may need adjustment based on market conditions. Take note of any changes in your financial goals or risk tolerance. Assess how much capital you are willing to allocate for new investments. Explore the Fundrise offerings, including REITs and e-funds. Research the current performance of these investment options. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset types or regions. Evaluate any new Fundrise features or products that may align with your updated strategy. Decide if you want to increase or decrease your investment in specific areas. Make any necessary changes to your existing investment allocation. Review Fundrise market insights and educational resources for additional guidance. Update your investment plan based on your analysis and research. Set a timeline for your new investment strategy implementation. Regularly monitor your investments to ensure they align with your goals moving forward. Adjust your strategy as needed based on ongoing market trends and performance reviews. Stay informed about the real estate market to make educated decisions. Utilize Fundrise customer support if you have any questions during this process. Re-evaluate your strategy regularly to ensure long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.